So you're on the market looking for a microphone, potentially. Why else would you click this video? And you're hoping to get something of a decent quality, perhaps for professional use. Then you're in the right place because, well, I have another awesome USB and XLR dynamic microphone, the Tonor TD510 USB and XLR microphone for your gaming, streaming, or podcasting, or YouTube content creation like this. Without further ado, we're going to take a look at this microphone right here. Is it upside down? Yep, I knew it. I should have just looked. We're going to look at this microphone right here if I didn't break it. Not much in this box, so I'm going to open it right on the fly. No need for an overhead cam because we can just do it right here in all of our faces. I presume there's probably like 3 pieces of things in this box, so let's just go through it. Of course, you're going to get your informational manual and pamphlet. Make sure you go through this if you've never used a microphone in your life. Get instructed. XLR cable in your face, techies and gamers. Relatively cheap feeling XLR, but nice metal on the front. And it is USB-C to USB-A. Pretty decent length, I would say, so no critiques there really. And last but not least, it comes nicely packaged there in your box. The Tonor TD510. Oh, that feels a little heavy here. Hold on.
Ooh, nice. And
why did I do that high-pitched sound? Don't ever do that again. Ooh, nice. Nice and heavy. Wow. What's the weight of this? God, let me check this. This is a heavy mic. I'll put the weight right here so that you can know that this is pretty heavy. The PD400X is pretty heavy as well. I would say this is competing in terms of weight with the PD400X. This microphone is pretty beautiful, actually. Wow, this not only feels super premium, but also looks nice and premium. This is 105,000% metal. Looking at the capsule here, you can't really see through it, but it seems like there is an interior noise rejection, I guess, kind of foam material. So you get kind of a double noise mitigation, the interior plus this exterior. Nice and pretty sturdy, right? Wind muff. Full contents of the box. We don't need that anymore, and we can go on and dig into this microphone. Straight off the rip, let's look at the ports on the back. We get a USB-C port as well as an XLR port, and obviously your monitoring port. So this half bracket here that mounts to your boom arm or your table stand only goes so far. It looks like you can only orient it one way. Not a fingerprint magnet, don't worry about that. We have an up and down volume rocker, and we have a mute button on first glance. But then when you look deeper, you see there is a monitoring and a gain button there, a little microphone, so you can switch between controlling the volume levels of your monitoring and your microphone. Let's get this guy mounted, and well, we're gonna get to testing. First thing, USB.
What does it sound like? Proximity test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Proximity test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not a lot of highs, not a lot of bass. It's somewhere down the middle. Sounds pretty flat as far as an EQ is concerned. It has a very broadcasty kind of mid-range sound. I don't know if it's probably not good for my kind of voice with I have like a hummy bassy voice there, just a little bit. But if you have a higher pitch voice, probably good for you. What? I sound like a Muppet. Plosives, blowing into it and blowing away from it. Here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of Pepsis, popped them, poured them into a pitcher profusely. Why I gotta hop so much? A little bit of distortion there because, well, I'm being a maniac and blowing into it, but nothing too harsh, actually. That's kind of an extreme case and still did a pretty good job. Okay, let's blow away from it. I surmise that you won't get much, if any, kind of plosives problems away from it. But here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of Pepsis, popped them, poured them into a pitcher. Sounds fantastic. Sibilance. Here we go. Caesar ate a salad with Susan at the sauna while scraping up seashells. Hissing away from it. Here we go. Superman ate a salad with Susan by the seashore, and it sounded sexy. Pretty good, actually. A little bit of hissiness, but it's passable. Yeah. So, okay. Plosives and hisses so far. Makes a pass. All right, Tonor. I'm watching you closely. This is directly talking into it, but if I turn the microphone, Peter Piper picked a pack of Pepsis, popped them, poured them into a pitcher profusely. And if I turn it this way, Peter Piper picked a pack of Pepsis, poured it into a pitcher profusely. What does this audio rejection sound like from behind and from the sides? I'll do some playback, and I'm curious to know what that sounds like actually. Pretty good on the noise rejection, off axis, and talking from behind it. So another component that makes the pass. Now you're getting that XLR 24-bit richness, right? It's 24-bit all around, but this is where you get the microphone to just show you what it's made of. Dropping off that noise floor. Now we are getting a good audio quality. I felt like I was too loud for one. Now I can talk and sit back comfortably, and we still got a little bit of noise, but it has dropped off, but it is still picking up my signal quite nicely and a nice level of gain, because I'm still, even with that noise being dropped off, I'm still up in the yellow. Pretty decent pickup of this microphone, and I'm sitting back for a dynamic microphone. Drop off that noise a little bit. I can still get good audio, right? Most of it is now gone, and you can still pick up my vocals quite nicely. And in summation, techies and gamers, we have another fantastic option here on the Tech Toys and Gaming Show for your content creation, your gaming, your streaming, and your podcasting. This is an awesome choice of a microphone. I'm not even going to dismount it. I'm going to leave this here, and I'm going to use it for a few videos because, well, for one, this thing is beautiful. I like the way it looks. Nice metallic heavy metal body, matte finish, not a fingerprint magnet. Awesome controls, volume control, up and down, gain control, monitoring control on the fly, no knobs. So it's a sleek, clean look like the Shure SM7B. If that's the kind of look you're looking for to look professional, but save a few $100, then this is probably maybe like $400 because this is sub 100. This is the way to go, techies and gamers. This is nice. Nice windscreen on the exterior. I like this velvety suede look. And you have some windscreen technology on the interior of the capsule. A lot of microphones have been shipped that way, and they're incorporating that. So pretty nice. USB audio sounds good. XLR just takes off into another planet. So yeah, you can't lose going either direction via USB XLR. Singular arm bracket to, I guess, kind of mitigate some of the weight so that doesn't look nice and sleek. You can have it this direction if you wanted to see that gold logo, which I kind of like, honestly. I would definitely rock that like that. The other direction, you don't really see the gold ring because the arm bracket kind of blocks it, and you don't see the logo, so it's just like a straight matte black microphone. You can lie and say it's a Shure SM7B. What? Interested? Check the link in the description. Tonor TD510, full 100% pass on this channel. I will be using this going forward in my next few videos because, well, this microphone is nice. The appearance, I like this appearance more than every other microphone that I've actually tested on this channel. Don't tell nobody, don't tell Mono, don't tell Fine, but this is beautiful. That's all I'm saying. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next video. Snap my finger because that's the wave. Later.